In Screen Flow in Salesforce, one of the major things that is missing is the ability to redirect user to a particular record once the flow finishes execution. Redirecting user to a record is quite easy. In this video, we will see how to redirect user to the record that we will be creating in the flow. Before we start working on the solution, let's take a look at the current state. I am on an account record in my Salesforce org. Here I have created a simple flow to allow users to create contacts for this account. Let's click on the Create Contact flow. Enter the contact first name and last name. Enter contact's email address. Click Next. The contact record gets created, but the user stays on the account record. What we want to do is to redirect the user to the contact record that was created. To do this, there is an help article provided by Salesforce on redirect flow users with a local action. As per this help article, we need to create an Aura component. This does require a bit of custom code, but don't worry. Salesforce has already provided the code to you, so all you need to do is copy and paste, and it won't take more than a minute or two. To create the Aura component, let's navigate back to our Salesforce org. Click on Setup. Right-click on Developer Console and open it in a new tab. In Developer Console, click on File, New, Lightning Component. Name the component as Navigate to Record as shown here and click Submit. From the help article, copy the code for component markup. Paste the code under Component section in Aura component and save. Switch to help article and copy the code for design resource. Back in Developer Console, select Design and paste the code. Save it. Lastly, copy the code for the client-side controller from the help article. In Developer Console, select Controller and paste and save. Let's verify that the component has been created in the org. In Setup, search for and navigate to Lightning Components. Click on letter N and ensure that Navigate to Record component exists here. Next, we will modify the Create Contact flow to redirect user to the contact record, once the flow finishes execution. Navigate to Flows in Setup. Open the flow. In this flow, we have created a record ID variable to get the record ID of the account from Account Record page, from where the flow will be invoked. Then we have a screen component to display a form to the user to accept contact name and email address. And we are using Create Records element to create the contact record for the account. To navigate the user to the created contact record, we will add an action element for the Aura component that we have created. Click plus icon and add action element. Search for and select Navigate to Record Aura component. Specify the label and API name. Toggle the switch to include value for record ID. And select the value contact ID from Create Contact Record element. This is the whole trick here. If you want to navigate your users to a particular record after the screen flow finishes execution, just pass the record ID of the target record to the Aura component. Click Done. Click Save As and click Save to save the flow. Click Activate. Let's go back to the account record and create another contact. Click on Create Contact. Specify the contact name and email. Click Next. And now, once the flow finishes, you will be redirected to the newly created contact record. This is how simple it is to redirect user to a particular record from the screen flow. Also note that once you have created the Navigate to Record Aura component, you can use this in multiple screen flows to redirect users to your desired destination. It wasn't that hard to accomplish this, was it? Thanks for watching.